Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been pretty busy this week, but I did get some emails and posts from various users groups, and I want to share a couple of them with you today. This one was from the Canadian International DX Club. Pretty big club, very active, of course, up in Canada. And this is a web page where somebody has assembled all kinds of information about getting status on what's going on in Ukraine. And this was published March 9th. It's got media links, various media reports and feature articles, YouTube channels, and so on. These are the major areas that are listed down here. So we got media links. There's the BBC News right here. That's their web page. Bunch of them. This is a lot of information. Oh my gosh. And there's the BBC shortwave. And here is, if you go to the New York Times, you can find a pull down that shows you current maps of what's going on over in Ukraine as far as Russia taking over. YouTube channels. Some of these are live feeds from Ukraine. I've watched a couple of these for a while. Here's one from France. Here's one from Germany. There's the website Radio Garden. So you can listen to stations all over the world, AM and FM. And here's some online radios at the Kiwi SDR website. And here he's pointed out the ones that are related to what's going on over there in Europe. I've listened to, I can't remember which one, I think it was this one I listened to. Or used, I should say, to listen to medium wave, local medium wave stations. Right here, here's a listing of the local medium wave stations. I was listing, and I showed it to you in a video probably a week ago or more on 549 kilohertz. Don't know if it's still active. And then here's some shortwave frequencies to listen to, either on one of the radios up there or on your radio. So this is a great page. It's got a really very long URL, so I'll copy and paste that into the first comment below this video. Got one more for you right now. This is a website that will show you a map of amateur radio license holders. And so you can put in your call sign, you can put in a grid square, you can put in just a zip code, and if you don't have a call sign, or your street address, and then you click on Show Map, and then it shows you this map here. And look at all the people. This is probably just a 5-mile radius from me. All these people, I probably don't know any of them. I think the few people that I know locally are not that close to me. They're down south in St. Petersburg. So that's kind of helpful if you're interested in, if you're into ham radio, it's very useful. And if you're interested in ham radio and getting into it, you could maybe try to contact one of these people, and they'd probably hook you up with a local club. We have a amateur radio club in Clearwater. Right now it's not that big. And then there's a bigger one south of us that meets down in St. Pete, down here someplace. Oh, it moved. Oh, that's cool. I clicked on this grid square and it showed all the people in that grid square. That's cool. Like if I go here. Wow. This is another great website. I mean, whoever did this, does it tell you? No. I think home takes you where I'm at. Yeah, it just starts over. So I'll put the link to this one also in that first comment below this video. That's it. Have a great day. Bye-bye.